It's the Everglades of Iraq. What? This doesn't make any sense. Whoa! Shaku Maku! Maku King! What's up?
Here comes our captain, buying some cigarettes. Yep, look at him, he is a go-getter. Greetings from the marshes.
Marsh City, baby. Perfect, relaxing boat trip. How y'all feeling? Good?
Assalamu alaikum.
That's a happy cat. Shizmak.
Got him.
Got him. My name is Philip.
Philip.
Cool. Ah, the simple life. This is where the action is. Somebody's been doing good work. Hello.
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 One of them is his wife, and the other is his.
Oh yeah. Do these buffaloes have names? What are they? What's a good name for a water buffalo?
Brian.
Oh, hey Brian. You got a very wet nose, don't you? What have you been doing? Ooh. Straight out the buffalo. What's in here? I'm sorry, all I did was ask your name. I'm very scary. I know.
تروح لا تطول غيابك يسمر ليش ما تذكر احبابك
الله الله يسلم لي الصوت هذا حبيبي
يابا واهلا بالويا
واحد الاحمد
اهلا وسهلا بك يا ابو هاجر اهلا وسهلا بك واهلا بالوياك
Bye bye. All right, let's catch this sunset. Yalla, yalla, yalla. Bigger.
Having a great time in the Arab marshes of Basra, southern Iraq.
We stayed too long with the family, but we caught the end. And that's the important part. What? This feels more like the Everglades than Iraq, that's for sure. Never thought I'd see anything like this in Iraq. So cool. Habibi, why are you always yelling? Oh, the mosquitoes are coming. Yalla, yalla, yalla.
Majnun! Majnun!
مجنون.
Oh.
Majnun.
مجنون.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
What is the name of this dish?
It's fish, but it's cooked in the Iraqi way.
Yeah.
It's called Masgouf.
Masgouf.
Yeah.
It's delicious.
Yeah. قلنا بالله شو اسمه. Delicious.
The good stuff is in the middle.
Yeah.
Salam alaikum. Wow. The tea house of all tea houses. Oh my God.
Shakumaku.
Shakumaku. Shakumaku, everyone.
So this is the host where all the villagers come here and if there's some problems to solve or maybe have some chat, they come to this host. So it's open for anyone and it's for free.
And who's the host that makes the coffee and the tea?
They are not like they're like the owners of the place. He's like the godfather of the clan.
Okay.
That guy with the
headdress?
Yeah, headdress.
He's the guy?
He's the big one.
What is his name?
Sayyid.
Sayyid.
Yeah.
Bye. Salam alaikum. Shakumaku. You made it! Thanks so much for watching. I had an incredible time in Iraq and there are several more videos coming soon, so stay tuned. In the meantime, check out my latest video from my incredible experience camping with nomadic cattle herders in South Sudan, right below. And remember, my channel has the best videos for every country in the world, so don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be updated when new videos come out. Until next time, cheers.